Claude, we're here. In 1979, you came to Jamaica and painted some murals. Why did you choose Jamaica?
In November 1 year, in 78, your ambassador, Mr. Rainfort, ambassador in Brussels, and he was president of ACP in this time. He went in my studio like a tourist, and he invited me free in Jamaica to do a wall painting.
So you came to Jamaica, and the University of the West Indies was chosen as the site for the painting of the mural. Tell us how you went about it, painting the mural on the campus.
At first, I wait during 1 month, Jamaican problem, to decide. So I saw the minister sometimes, and they decide finally to give me the Carimac. It was not Carimac in this time, it was mass communication building. And I begin that, and after 3 weeks, I think, we have a celebration to inaugurate the wall painting. And Mr. Laylor invite immediately to do the second one. It is the assembly hall, the big one. And he said to me, "Oh, please, Mr. Ahir, stay here and begin again." And I said, "No, I prefer that my assistant student, Doreen Kong and Robert Ramsey, because Doreen Kong was a marvelous talent. And she is able to do it." He refused. He said, "No, I would like to that you are there and you do the project with Doreen Kong and Robert Ramsey." And I accept. So I made the second one, and the themes was the faculties of the university. I said, "Please, I would like to have any people, the life in the campus." And I made a little boy. And he said to me, "It's nice because it is the year of the child," and I didn't know. So in the first floor of the painting, I have many boys and girls playing.
For the Assembly Hall mural, you have the faculties and you have the theme of the International Year of the Child. What is the theme on the Carimac mural?
Oh, very simple. The director, it was American, Mr. Sargent, exactly. Very fine man, sweet. And he explained to me that it was mass communication. So please think about the communication. So if you see the wall painting, you can see the communication with the animals. Rasta was speaking with a bird. You have the communication with the lover.
People kissing.
Kissing, yes. And communication with the baby and mama who give the breast, give milk. And of course, communication with by radio. So you have a medium of communication, yes.
Now, on both occasions, you have been, or you were assisted the first time by students. This time around, you are also assisted by students from the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts. Now, why did you use these students to assist you?
My philosophy, it is, if I can give something to a student or 2-3 students, it is better, especially in other countries. So, for example, in Jamaica, after 17 years, I saw that you have many buildings, new buildings. In Negril, in different parts of the coast, you have hotel. And I think that the many hotel, director of hotelry, would like to have a Jamaican artist who made a good wall painting and correct. So my point of view, it is maybe I can help any student to give lesson, but it depends of the student. For example, any days after, in the end of my painting in Carimac, my restoring, I received 3 students from the Jamaica Art School, and they said to me, "We didn't know that you would like to have artists and teach." And I said, "Why you didn't know? I don't know exactly." But they stay with me 2 times, and I give lesson. They note everything. They did exercise. They go over the scaffolding with me, and I am sure the students are so interested with this lesson. Those students shall be maybe good painter after that, I hope.
Tell us about the process that you went through in restoring both murals. What did you do?
I push a primer, but the primer transparent. Transparent in English, you understand?
Yes, yes.
So it is like a varnish. And because it is transparent, you can see the design. You can see the surface who were covered with a color. For example, I remember to you that in this time we had many color, red color. I push the color, red color now, and many people are astonished. But the red color was not a good color because it was not earth color. It was not a clay color like brown and like ochre. A red color, it was artificial color. So the UV in the sun killed the red. And for example, the judge here in Jamaica is red. He was white. You remember it was white? And the problem, a little problem, because I would like to speak about that. Many people said to me, "Oh, it is so bright now."
Yes.
But
yes,
many
people are saying it is
yes,
very bright.
At first, the young student didn't know the painting in 79. They were baby or maybe not born. But the old people, maybe they didn't remember exactly the color. And if I have a photograph and slide, yes, I have many. But each time, the sun was not the same in this time. And now, because the color are old, in the photographs they change too. So who knows the right color? Me and God. So I try to pray God to have a line, direct line, and I try to do exactly on more or less. It is my work, so I can change. But I didn't change the 70% of red and 30% of green. So I am sure after 17 years again, if you find a restaurant, because I'll be die, I am not sure he respects the color.
Now, Claude, we're here. You've restored the murals, and we hope that in 17 years' time, you will be strong and able to come back.
Oh, yes, sure, but prepare a lift for the scaffolding. Okay?
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye. Thank you.